everyone. Today we are going to start another topic of your GK book, and topic is famous female scientists, as many scientists have contributed towards the society. Today we will discuss some of them. So let's start. Students, can you identify this scientist? Yes, she is Marie Curie. Marie Curie was a French physicist and chemist. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in physics and later in chemistry. She became the first person to win the award twice with her husband Pierre Curie. Students, do you know that the Nobel Prize Committee initially refused the award to be given to Marie Curie because she was a woman? She is famous for her work on radioactivity, a finding that paved the way for both the diagnosis, X-rays, and the treatment of cancer. Marie Curie and her husband Pierre discovered two elements which they called polonium and radium. The elements were radioactive. Students, the radioactive element radium is used in the treatment of cancer. Without her discoveries of polonium and radium, we wouldn't have X-rays to help doctors to see through our skin. Next scientist is Maria Mayer. Maria Mayer was a German-born American theoretical physicist and Nobel laureate in physics. She was the second woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1963, the first being, yes, Marie Curie. She is known for determining the shell structure of an atom, its electronic configuration, and the placement of electrons in the shells. She is most famous for proposing the nuclear shell model of the atomic nucleus. And she is one of the key persons who was involved in the formation of the atomic bomb. Students, next scientist is recognized as the mother of environmentalism. She is Rachel Carson. Rachel Carson was an American writer, scientist, ecologist, and environmentalist. She is recognized as the mother of modern environmentalism. She became aware of many environmental problems of chemicals, in which one of them is being pesticides. Students, pesticides are used to control the pest, but overuse of it causes health problems. According to her, water, soil, and the earth's green mantle of plants make up the world that supports the animal life of the earth. And she thought, if I keep silent, there won't be any peace for me. Thus, she started working on Silent Spring, which changed the course of history in America. In the book, she has written about the truth of DDT, the most significant features of DDT and related chemicals, that they are passed from one organism to another through all the links of food chain. Later, Carson was asked to testify before a congressional committee about the effects of pesticides. And students, this led to the banning of DDT. Next scientist is Gertrude B. Allen. Gertrude B. Allen was an American pharmacologist and biochemist. When, as a teenager, she watched her maternal grandfather die of cancer. So she decided to devote her life to fight against this disease. She studied chemistry at Hunter College and New York University, but as a woman she faced difficulty in finding work as a chemist. Gertrude B. Allen is famous for her scientific discovery of drugs to treating cancer and herpes. This discovery earned her Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1988. And she said, "The Nobel Prize is fine, but the drugs I have developed are rewards in themselves." Next scientist is Rachel Zimmerman. Rachel Zimmerman is a Canadian-born woman, space scientist and inventor. She invented the Bliss symbol printer in 1984, making it simple for users with physical disabilities to communicate. Students, in Bliss symbol printer, Zimmerman used symbols. That symbols called Bliss symbols. Students, you know that symbols express words or ideas. These symbols are used by the people which have difficulty in speaking. Now they can communicate with each other without speaking with the help of these symbols. Students, in Bliss symbol printer, a user can simply point to various symbols on a page or board through the use of a special touchpads. When the user chooses a symbol, the Bliss symbol printer converts the image to write English or French, allowing his or her thoughts to be transcribed effectively. Students, this invention was recognized in worldwide and she won a silver medal at the World Exhibition of Achievement of Young Inventors. Next scientist is Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin was a British scientist and X-ray crystallographer. Her work was central to the understanding of the molecular structures of DNA, RNA, viruses, coal, and graphite. Students, her research helped to solve the mystery of the structure of DNA, which is the building blocks of life. She discovered that DNA could crystallize into two different forms, A and B. She developed a technique to separate these two different forms. Students, Franklin was diagnosed with ovarian cancer in 1956. However, she continued her research throughout her treatment regimen. If she had not died, she would have received a Nobel Prize. Let's solve exercise. Now I hope students you can identify these scientists. First, she discovered radium. This discovery led to the discovery of the therapy for cancer. She was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize. Yes, what will be the answer? Marie Curie. Second, this Nobel Prize winner and a German physicist is known for proposing the shell structure of the atomic nucleus. Scientist is Maria Mayer. Third, she is an environmentalist. Yes, student, who is environmentalist? Who made the society aware of the effects of DDT on crops and water? Scientist is Rachel Carson. Next, she is an American scientist and a Nobel Prize winner. She is well known for the discovery of drugs for treating cancer and herpes. Scientist is Gertrude B. Allen. Fifth, she is a Canadian scientist who invented the Bliss symbol printer that enables differently abled people to communicate. Yes, answer is Rachel Zimmerman. Next, she is a British scientist well known for discovering the helical structure of DNA. She also discovered the structure of various viruses. Yes, who is this scientist? Yes, Rosalind Franklin. Students, these are the answers. Cross-check it. Thank you.